everyone. My name is Brahm. I'm the founder and CEO of Brahmin Solutions. I'm creating this quick video for bath or slope manufacturers. I just want to give you an overview of what Brahmin Solutions can do. It's a quick 5-minute video. Gives you all the highlights of the most important features in Brahmin and how it can benefit your business. In this example, we'll be using soap as the finished product. The ingredients to make the soap, the recipes are built around soap production. All right, so let's get started here. So this is the dashboard that once you log into Brahmin. So Brahmin is broken down into a couple modules. So we have the purchasing module, so where you can track all of your suppliers. You can track your purchase orders. So Brahmin gives you visibility into what are your open POs, what is your past history into purchasing, gives you detailed information on what was ordered, when it was ordered, from who was ordered, what was the quantity, what was the price. So you have complete visibility on that. You can actually email purchase orders right from the platform, and the system can also automatically do that for you. The second part I want to show you is the inventory management side of it. So the system is tracks complete inventory of all your raw ingredients, your work in progress products, and your finished products. So here's an example of soap ingredients. So let's take a look at these soap ingredients here. So you can see Brahmin gives you a complete status overview of how much inventory you have on hand, how much inventory is actually available, and how much inventory is locked up to, since this is raw ingredients, how much inventory is locked up to production orders. So if you click on anywhere in the system, you can see exactly that I have 100 of these boxes. 8 are allocated or basically needed for these for this production order, and as a result, I have 92 available left to use in another production order. Okay. If you look at finished products, the system gives you an idea of, again, what you have on hand, what is allocated. Again, since it's a finished product, what is needed for your sales orders. Right, your sales orders can come from e-commerce websites. It can come from wholesale websites, or it can come from like phone orders. Okay. So it gives you an idea of what's allocated. Also gives you an idea of what's incoming. So if you're making production orders in the system can track that, okay, this amount of quantity is coming into inventory. And if you click on it, you'll see that it's expected on October 5th. Okay. In terms of the product details, the system can track lots and batches, expiry dates, so it has complete traceability. It can track pricing. If it's a raw ingredient, you can associate vendors and also set reorder points within the product. So if you're running low on materials, the system automatically will suggest reorder points for you. Okay, so let's move over to the production side. So everything, so in the system, you can set up your recipe. So here's my recipe to make a bulk 60-ounce batch of this green clay wheatgrass soap. So these are all my ingredients that go into it. You have the unit of measure on the side. Also the operations that go into it, and you can set the estimated time. So since this is a recipe, this is just the estimated time and the ingredients that are needed. Okay. So this is how you make the bulk product. And then I have a recipe to make the individual soaps, right? So it takes the 7 ounces from the bulk product, and then it takes a packaging, and then it makes 1 unit of the soap. So here's my recipes to kind of set up all the ingredients I would need and the operations I would need to do to complete the making of my product. Okay. Once you have the recipes, the system allows you to create production orders. So here is my production order for the bulk. Again, you can plan it. You can give an estimated date as to when you need to manufacture it by. You can also see the inventory that's available. So anytime your inventory is not available, you'll see these numbers in negative, right? Also, here is my operation, so you can track operations like, okay, have I started this operation? Have I stopped? Have I completed it? And so on. And here is my manufacturing order for my packaging, where I take the bulk and then complete it into individual soaps. Okay. So that's a quick overview of your productions. What Brahmin also can track is your sales orders. So again, if you have, if your orders are coming in from your e-commerce website like Shopify, Brahmin integrates with Shopify. Will download all your orders. If they're coming from Fair, we have a Fair integration coming up next week. So that's also, it's going to pull all your orders from Fair, downloading into the system for you to process. Again, and our system integrates with shipment platforms like ShipStation. So once the order comes in, if you do not have enough inventory, you can produce, you can run a production batch, right, to produce enough inventory, then get these orders shipped out by, entering the tracking details or using ShipStation to print labels. And our system would automatically update all the tracking information and update your e-commerce website. Okay. So this is, again, a very, very quick overview of Brahmin. There's a lot more that Brahmin Solutions could do. It's pretty much a full-out ERP for small batch manufacturers. So if this is interesting and you would like to learn more, feel free to reach out to me or any of my sales reps. We would love to show you a demo. Again, we do free implementation, free training. Everything is on us. We want to make sure you don't have to pay a penny until the system is actually working for you. Okay? Thank you.